Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking the Mitsubishi Eclipse out to another location. It's been sitting in the street for 3 or 4 weeks now. I haven't even been touching it, and honestly it's starting to show the wear and tear on the paint, the headlights, the weather stripping. This pretty much goes bad if a lot of sun hits it for an extended period of time. The red seats are really delicate, they could fade over time. I went ahead and talked to my dad, and he pretty much told me to take it over to his house and leave it there for a bit. Ever since it gave me issues last time, I haven't even touched it, and I kind of lost motivation for it, so I do need like some time away from it. So the plan for today is basically to go meet up with Jay with the white Evo. I think you guys have seen him in a couple videos in the channel. We have a gym session. After that, we're gonna go meet up with Danny, Lazy, and Carlos because they just painted Danny's car a different color. Looks super sick. I've seen it in pictures. And then from there, we'll pretty much head over to my dad's house, drop off the DSM, and pretty much leave it there for an undefined period of time. I don't know when I'll be touching it again, but I'll always keep you guys in the loop.
This is terrible.
I have no windshield wipers.
He literally has, you have them physically.
Oh, they're not connected.
Yeah, you physically have one. I don't even understand how you're driving right now. I cannot see anything. I just want to bring this to light right now that he had me wake up at 5:30 in the morning just so we could go to his house.
Pick up my car.
To pick up this car.
So you go to the gym. Which gym?
We could have took the Fiat.
You gotta roll up in style.
Can you see this on camera? How cold it is?
It's cold. It's like 55 degrees right now. I'm not wearing a hoodie.
We don't have no heater.
No heater.
Just woke up.
Sacrifices.
He did this all for you guys. So you guys better.
All for you guys for real.
You guys better appreciate. I'm literally freezing right now because of you guys.
We appreciate you, bro. We appreciate you.
Better get all the likes and comments right now.
Like
all
and
the
comment,
shares.
like and comment.
All the shares.
Oh, now I want to hit I didn't want to hit boost before. Wow. Man, driving a non-turbo for like weeks. It ain't the business. You know about that too, huh?
No, my Fiat.
Your Evo's broken. Man, talk about parking far away. 275 for 85 right now. I'm gonna miss this car. I don't know the next time I'm gonna bring it out, but I'll always keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with this thing. This thing smells so good. Ready?
I was born ready.
Born ready? You got that pre-workout in already or not?
No, I haven't drank it yet.
Okay.
You told me not to because then I was gonna be too hyper.
Too hyper.
Almost.
It's been a while since I drove the car, so I'm not used to the clutch yet. Man, this thing's quick.
Oh my god.
Bruh, there's bumps for days. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, rip.
Just to get to the gym.
Just to get on my side, right? It's okay.
You're right, my bad.
He's so sweet, he moved over.
Oh shit, I hit my side skirt.
Okay, you're gonna have to go on this side. I love how there's another side that he could drive on, and
I know.
he chose
We're
to
here.
take the bumps.
How's it a ruckus?
A ruckus. Like literally, there's a whole straightaway over there.
So Jay has something special for me. What is this? Oh, this is cool. Is it like a car?
It is a car.
An S15 Sylvia. Thank you, bruh.
I didn't even bother stealing it, but this is the hoodie.
Oh, thank you, bruh. You got me a hoodie. Damn. That's your brand, huh?
Yep.
Sick.
These are yours too.
And then this, I had Jay make for me. I will be releasing these real soon. Check these out. These are iPhone cases with a DSM. So I'll let you guys know once these are out, but Jay pretty much handmade these all for us right here. Different iPhones. Which models? It's the iPhone 11, 12?
iPhone 11 to 12 Pro Max.
Right. Pretty much got everything.
Everything in between.
Limited quantity, guys. I didn't get that many, to be honest, on this first run. But if they do sell good, I'll keep them up for sale. But yeah, I'll let you guys know once these are out. Huge thanks to Jay for the hoodie, the phone cases, and the S15. We're pretty much ready to head out to Moreno Valley. They just do legs, so I feel it. Yeah,
they're thick.
They're thick right now, bro. It is the worst day to drive a stick shift car.
You wanted to bring it. I literally told you.
I did, but I was trying to make a video, so. Oh. Oof. Cutting off. I don't know what's wrong with it, and that's why I don't like pushing it either. Painted. New color. Looks good in purple. We'll park right here, right next to Lazy. Damn. Damn, this thing's filthy. Got Lazy's car, my car. Came out legit, dude. Oh, and you painted the hatch too. Damn. Not bad, dude. Dude's taking out his heater core. Whole dash is out. The non-turbo wing.
Yeah, all the holes are gone.
All the holes are gone.
Yeah.
Did you guys do anything to like the quarter panels or the fenders?
The fender.
Your fenders were not. Yeah, your front fender, huh?
I had a nasty
buckle.
I had a crack right here. Crack in it. Had a crack, and then we bonded it, and then his front bumper had a bunch of holes from the canards.
Like
oh, mine has that too. So you guys filled them?
Yeah. Yeah, and then he had his license plate holes right here.
Oh yeah, same thing.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
Alright guys, pretty much came down to visit the guys. They did a DIY paint job and honestly it came out super sick. Lazy went ahead and painted it just like his blue one, and honestly, I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think of the paint. This is close to midnight purple, right Danny? Or yeah, close they got to midnight purple. But Danny is gonna start a YouTube channel real soon for the 428 build. Let's head out to my dad's house, drop off the DSM, and pretty much end the video. Gonna miss this car. Honestly, this car is so fun. If it wasn't for that issue that it's having, I'd be pushing it so much more. And I also don't want it sitting on the street, to be honest, so it's for the better. She will be back soon. I don't know when, but she'll make a comeback. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so the DSM is pretty much dropped off at my dad's house. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know the next time I'm gonna drive it, to be honest, but once you guys see a video pop out with it, then that's how you know. But I'm honestly kind of sad that I'm leaving it here, but it's for the better. The car was just sitting outside, and honestly I just rather conserve it as much as I can. So stay tuned for the next video. I think it's gonna be a white DSM build video, so it should be a good one. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe if you haven't just yet. And I'll see you on the next one.